first to clock in and the last to leave. And I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves.
Just got done, bro. Took me about 6 hours, took me about 4 hours, but I got all of it done, bro. Look at that. All 4 airbags, boy. Put them boys on like a professional, boy. Look at that. That's what I had to do, my man. I got it done, Reese.